Okay, we've all seen this shot from space of Super Typhoon Vongfong. It's very depressing how grayed out the world is. I wonder why we no longer get shots from space. Look at that. I'm going to show you something that they've been hiding or not telling anybody about. This. The eye of the hurricane. Here somebody had actually made a This is a photograph that anybody can find on the web of this Super Typhoon Vongfong. It appears to me to be photoshopped. It has a line or something drawn around this side, and I've seen it drawn on the other side. Now what gets me is how I see video after video on this, but nobody wants to talk about what looks like a hexagram in this Super Typhoon. So